Ooh, what's here? Yeah, Santa brought you stuff for your stocking.
Oh, wow.
Let me open it. Help you. What is this? You know already? Did Santa tell you what this was? No? You like your rocket ship? Here you go. Ooh, what is that?
Here, let's open it.
Ooh, Santa brought you a harmonica.
Oh, wow. Your side.
Harmonica.
Let's open it up.
Thanks, Santa. Hey, look, Mom. A harmonica for Bobby. Yeah, blow it. We'll learn. And last but not least, this was in here too. What could this be? Here you go. Is it a harmonica too? Looks like it. Let's see. Here you go. Open, open, open. Now I'll show you. Open this one. The last present
Ooh.
from Santa. Well, actually, that's from your grandma. Open that up. Open it.
Oh.
Oh, no. This is
Oh, no, I'm going to help you.
what is it?
Oh.
Piece of wood. What is this?
It's a fireplace. Oh, my gosh. You got 2 train whistles.
Vintage train whistle.
Blow on them. Wow.
Just like that one. Yeah, ready?
Ooh, 2 trains.
To go with your train.
All right. Time to have fun. Say bye-bye to Grandma and Grandpa and Grandma and Grandpa and Grandma and Grandma.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.